Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the Ribbon tab. I consider this to be the most important working element in Excel because it contains most of the controls and commands for the spreadsheet. So let's understand how the ribbon works.
The ribbon displays 8 main tabs. Each tab contains a group of controls such as buttons or pop-up menus. A button is a direct command over the spreadsheet, and a pop-up menu is a group of related commands. Let me show you with an example. Let's type "Hello" on cell A1 and apply color font with this button. Next to that button, there is a pop-up menu with more options of colors that are available to you. Let's talk more about the tabs. The active tab will be shown by a different color or underlining the name. To switch tab, just click on the name of that tab. Let's take a look of each tab and their controls. Home. This tab contains controls for cut, copy, and paste. Controls for font type, alignment, color, and styles. Controls for cells and number formatting. Conditional formatting, inserting and deleting cells, columns, and rows. Insert. This tab contains controls for inserting tables and pivot tables, inserting pictures, shapes, and diagrams, inserting different types of charts, and create links and comments. Text objects, including text boxes, headers, and footers, word art, and symbol characters and equations. Draw. This tab contains controls for adding free scribble, erasing, managing the color, and style of lines. Page layout. This tab contains controls for applying themes, managing page setup and print options, managing cell width and height, and choosing to view and print the grid lines and the headings. Formulas. This tab contains controls for inserting functions. The functions are grouped by type, like financials, text, logical, math, and more. Controls for working with name ranges, checking and adjusting formulas, and controlling how Excel performs calculations. Data. This tab contains controls for connecting to external data sources, sorting and filtering data, flash fill and remove duplicates, validating data, performing what-if analysis, and grouping and outlining worksheets. Review. This tab contains controls for checking spelling, translation, managing comments, applying protection to a worksheet or a workbook, and read-only option. View. This tab contains controls to change between different views of the spreadsheet, controlling the grid lines, the formula bar, and headings to appear on the screen, zooming options, freezing and splitting the window, and switching between different workbooks available and managing macros. The ribbon also displays additional tabs called context sensitive. For example, if you select a chart, it shows 2 extra tabs, chart design and format. Both will have additional controls for the type of object that is selected. Few more things about the ribbon. The groups and control display layout will change depending on how wide the Excel window is. If the window is wide enough, the ribbon will display all the groups and their controls, as shown on the screen now. If the window narrows, Excel gradually collapses part of the ribbon to display as much as possible with the space available. As you can see, when I start reducing the window, Excel starts collapsing some of the groups and controls, creating pop-up menus. You will still have all the controls available, just the display has changed. if we go back to the original window size, you can see how everything goes back in place. When you need more space to work on the spreadsheet, you can collapse the ribbon. The way to collapse the ribbon is clicking on the current tab that you're working on. For example, we are on the Home tab. If you click on the tab name, it will collapse the ribbon. If you want to bring it back up, click again on the tab and it will get back in place.
I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thanks for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn Excel step by step. I'll see you in the next video.